In this video, we show you how to plot cross section with your point easting nothing height, that is coordinates and height. In each particular challenge, this shows a number of cross section data you observe per challenge. Some can be left, left, right, right. Some can be left, left, center, right, right. Some can be left, right in that format. This means in each challenge, the number of points you observe per challenge is shown. Now, separate every challenge with a space. After the first challenge, separate with a space. The second challenge, give space. The space tells the app that the first challenge is concluded. Then, in that arrangement for all your observed cross-section data, remember, the space separates one challenge of cross-section from another. Process data, then choose plot cross-section. You may need to have patience while the processing is being carried out. Then you may choose to plot the job directly in AutoCAD by clicking yes. That is it. This is cross-section data. Depending on how the terrain of your environment is, this is the profile, existing ground level. This is the design level. That's way. Existing ground level, design level. That's based on individual design. You can see that the plotting is done with individual data. 204, 201, 197. Then for you to plot the cross section in just one data, go back to the SurveySoft app. Then here, this was how it is. You can quickly change the datum mode to use one datum. Then plot the cross section. Export to AutoCAD. Then you can see that the plotting has changed. The datum remains 197 for all your plotting. The same datum. Unlike the former one that was in different datum. So you make a choice of the mode of processing you need.